how to deal with some of the challenges maybe you have been facing, or you are facing when you start that your goal you have written, or even the project you are doing, because there are many challenges you face on the way. That is why I advise each and everyone that after writing down your goals or your project you want to establish, you want to work on, you must now write on the challenges which you might uh, face on the way as you are doing your business. Some of the challenges which might come on the way as you are doing that business, is good to highlight them so that you can be well prepared, and even how to solve them, and even you will not get frustrated when that challenge already comes. One challenge is lack of money, or money is not enough to run that project, to run that your plan so that you get that idea right, or you get that idea or goal in your hands. Sometimes you face that money is never enough. Money is never enough. But you meet that sometimes you lack money. Maybe where you are working and where you live is a distance. You might now need uh, money for transport so that you go to where you are working. Now, maybe one day you have missed, or you don't have that money to go to your project. Are you meaning that you stop going to your project? Now you should come up with a way where, if it is working or it is borrowing, or which kind of way you can use so that you can reach at the right time, and so that that lack should not you should not focus on it, and it should not delay you doing what you should do that day. Another thing, you should be prepared. You should know how much money I need to accomplish, and where that money comes from. You should prepare, because you need money on the way, and you should highlight and make a good budget so that to achieve that money is called the capital, progressing capital. That money, you need it so that you achieve that your goal. If it is business, you have started your new business, there is running capital you need so that that business can grow until it start making profit and paying bills at its own. Another thing, you should not focus on limitations, because limitations will come. You should know how to solve them. That is how you become now a genius. A genius is somebody who can solve all the problems so that to achieve that goal you have already set. That is how you become a genius, through solving problems, through determining what you need, through determining why you need it. And even those challenges, when they come, you are able to solve one by one. Number two is emotions. Sometimes you may wake up, admit that your mind, or you don't have a good mood towards maybe waking up, going to that project with happiness, with full of strength and energy. You meet now you don't have that energy. How can you now solve that one? You can read more books. Read more books to improve your skills, to improve your mind. You fill your mind with the strength, because it reach a time when you feel fear will come, because fear is an illusion, it's a man-made. Now you need to have developed your mind. You have read a lot of mind, how to control that fear, how to control different emotions in your mind. Number three is now maybe workmate, because or whom are you working with toward that project? They may be even hindrance to your achievement, to achieving that your goal. Because not all people are good workers. Not all people you meet with them, they are focused towards achieving that project. You meet some of them might have missed, or they will miss on the way, because even they have limitations. Now, as a leader, how can you cooperate with them? How can you handle different situations or problems they have, so that you continue in working for that project? How can you manage that team so that it cannot bring some fight, or it cannot bring some complications which might hinder you in achieving that goal? Now you should even improve your skills on leadership. You should know how to manage team, how to organize it, how to solve different challenges in your team. Yeah, my name is James Tesh. Remember to subscribe and to comment and to share this video. What is the big fear or big limitation which is making you not to achieve that your project? Remember to comment below